Apoto Hotels and Tours Honest Review Watch before using. Most travelers assume all online booking platforms offer similar deals, but Apoto has its unique features and some drawbacks you need to know about before booking. Apoto is a European-based online travel agency that offers hotel bookings, flights, and vacation packages. One standout feature is its wide selection of hotels and flights across Europe, often with competitive pricing and flexible cancellation options. Most people get this wrong. They think cheaper always means better. The surprising truth is that while Apoto can offer low prices, fees and terms vary, and some deals may not include taxes, resort fees, or baggage allowances. Reading the fine print is essential. Another advantage is bundling. Apoto allows you to combine flights and hotels into packages, which can save money and simplify planning. It also provides loyalty points for frequent users, which can be redeemed for future bookings. However, there are considerations. Customer service has mixed reviews, with some users reporting delays and refunds or difficulties resolving issues. Mobile app functionality is improving, but not always as smooth as competitors. In conclusion, Apoto can be a solid choice for European travelers looking for bundled deals and competitive prices, but it requires careful attention to fees and policies. Always compare options before committing to a booking. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews to help plan smarter trips.